Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the left side we have a button Forget with this trash icon. So we need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list and reconnect your earbuds in the future, you need to select Disconnect, not Forget. Now let's remove them, so Forget and Forget. After that we need to move the second earbud, so near to it click the information icon or settings icon, and then again Forget and Forget device. After that we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!